Hello and welcome back to our channel. The objectives for today's lesson are: 1. What is a hire purchase plan? 2. What is the formula for a general hire purchase plan? 3. Comparison of the cost price and the hire purchase price. 4. Pros and cons of a hire purchase plan. Objective 1. What is a hire purchase plan? A hire purchase plan is a payment plan or an agreement where a person can pay for an item in installments or part payments. As shown in the 3 examples here, they can either pay a deposit, down payment, first, and then pay a balance in weekly or monthly installments, or just pay weekly or monthly installments with no deposit. The plan all depends on the retailer. However, since the plan is being done in parts, some retailers will add on an interest so that they gain a little extra money in the long run. Here are some examples of hire purchase plans. These are from 3 different stores: Price Sure, Lucky Money Limited, and The Home Shop. They are all selling exactly the same item. However, their cost prices of the same item are different, and the hire purchase plans are all different. Objective 2. Calculating the hire purchase price of an item. The deposit is also known as the down payment. The down payment can be given as a percentage of the cash price, like 10% of the cash price, or as a set value, like pay down $500. So, what is the formula for a general hire purchase plan? Hire purchase price can be calculated by adding the down payment to the balance. The balance will be the product of the number of installments and the cost of each installment. Here is an example. The cash price of a patio set is $1,200. It can be bought on hire purchase by making a deposit of 20% and paying the balance in 10 monthly installments of $125 each. Part A. Calculate the amount of deposit to be made on the patio set. Part B. What is the total hire purchase price? Pause the video here and see if you can try it on your own. The solution is provided. Let's understand the question first. What are we given? Cash price is $1,200. Deposit is 20% of the cash price. Number of installments is 10, which are monthly. Each installment cost is $125. First part. Find the deposit. Recall the deposit is 20% of the cash price. Therefore it can be calculated as 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 1200 to give $240. Part 2. Hire purchase price is the deposit added to the product of the number of installments and the cost of each installment. So, hire purchase price is $240 added to the product of 10 and $125 to be $1,490. Therefore hire purchase price is $1,490. Now let's do a quick review. What is a hire purchase plan? What are the elements of the plan? How to calculate the hire purchase price of an item? Check your work. Here are the answers. A hire purchase plan is a payment plan where a person can pay for an item in installments or part payments. The elements are the deposit or down payment, the monthly or weekly installments price, and the length of the payback period / number of installments. Hire purchase price equals deposit plus number of installments x cost of each installment. Now on to objective 3. Comparison of the cash price and the hire purchase price. Let's refer to the same worked example. We see that the cash price is $1,200 and the hire purchase price is $1,490. Therefore the hire purchase price is more than the cash price in this case. The retailer will provide the item at an interest to the consumer. Let's calculate that. Interest earned by the retailer is higher purchase price subtract the cash price. So $1,490 subtract $1,200 gives a difference of $290. Therefore $290 is the amount the consumer will save if they did not take the higher purchase plan, but instead paid for the item completely cash price. Also we can say $290 is the amount of interest the retailer gained by selling the item through a higher purchase price rather than having a customer pay the flat cost price. Hire purchase agreements usually prove to be more expensive in the long run than making a full payment on an asset purchase. That's because they can have much higher interest costs. This takes us to Objective 4. Discussing the advantages and disadvantages of a hire purchase agreement. As shown previously, the consumer has to pay more in the long run. This will be a disadvantage of a hire purchase plan. However, an advantage is that if the consumer does not have the entire amount to pay the full cost price, then it is convenient for him to enter the hire purchase agreement if he needs the item right away. What do you think? Can you find more pros and cons for entering a hire purchase agreement? In the next lesson, we will discuss selecting the best hire purchase plan for an item. We will compare 3 similar plans and help a customer choose the best one to suit their budget. Click on the link in the description box. Goodbye and thank you for watching.